It's not just retro looks and off-road chops. This is what really makes the 2026 Ford Bronco so special. And the competition can't match it. Excellent performance, retro flair, modern tech. It's hard to compete with the latest iteration of Ford's icon. And now with the 2026 updates, it gets even harder. Let's check it out. It's anniversary time. 60 years. That's how long the Bronco nameplate has been conquering trails and capturing hearts. Ford isn't letting this milestone slip by quietly. The 2026 model year marks the official launch of the 60th Anniversary Edition, a tribute that goes far beyond simple badges and special paint. This isn't your typical anniversary package with a few cosmetic touches. Ford's engineers went deep into the Bronco's heritage, pulling design elements from the original 1966 model while integrating them with modern capability. The 60th Anniversary Edition features retro-inspired square fender flares that echo the first-generation Bronco's muscular stance. The centerpiece of this anniversary celebration is the return of the swing gate tailgate design. Instead of the standard side-hinged rear door, the Anniversary Edition brings back the classic drop-down tailgate with integrated spare tire mount. Color options for the Anniversary Edition pay homage to classic Bronco schemes. The signature Wimbledon white returns, along with a deep Rangoon red that was a favorite on early models. But the real showstopper is the exclusive Heritage Bronze, a color that perfectly captures the spirit of those classic desert runners from the 1970s. Exterior updates. The 2026 Bronco refines its already iconic silhouette with updates that enhance both form and function. Ford's designers understood they had a winner with the current design, so changes focus on polish rather than revolution. The front grille receives a subtle redesign with larger openings that improve airflow to the radiator, critical for extended off-road sessions in demanding conditions. New LED signature lighting gives the Bronco a more distinctive presence on both trails and highways. The headlight housings feature updated bezels with integrated daytime running lights that create a modern interpretation of the classic round headlamp design. Fog light positioning has been optimized for better light distribution during dust-heavy trail runs, while side marker lights now use LED technology for improved visibility and longer life. The side profile benefits from refined fender flares that provide better tire coverage without looking bulky. These updated flares accommodate the larger tire packages while maintaining the Bronco's clean, purposeful appearance. Door handles receive a new textured finish that provides better grip when hands are muddy or wet, a small detail that makes a big difference during real-world adventures. At the rear, enhanced aerodynamics improve highway fuel efficiency without compromising the Bronco's rugged appearance. The spare tire cover gets a redesign with improved UV resistance and a more secure mounting system, while new recovery point covers blend seamlessly into the bumper design when not in use. Skid plate coverage extends further forward and uses a new lightweight alloy that provides superior protection without adding unnecessary weight. Interior design. The 2026 Bronco's cabin perfectly balances rugged durability with modern comfort. The dashboard maintains its purposeful, horizontal layout, but new materials provide a more premium feel while remaining tough enough for outdoor adventures. High-wear surfaces now feature a textured coating that resists scratches and provides better grip for gloved hands. The instrument cluster receives a significant upgrade with a new 12.4-inch digital display that can be completely customized. Off-road enthusiasts can configure screens to show pitch and roll angles, differential temperatures, and tire pressure monitoring in real time. The display automatically adjusts brightness based on ambient light conditions, ensuring perfect visibility whether you're under a desert sun or navigating through forest shadows. Seating surfaces showcase Ford's commitment to durability without sacrificing comfort. The new ActiveX material combines the look and feel of leather with superior stain and water resistance. For serious adventurers, optional marine-grade vinyl seats can handle anything from muddy boots to spilled coffee, and they clean up with just a hose down. Perhaps most impressive is the enhanced modularity of interior components. Door panels, carpets, and even seat cushions can be removed quickly for hosing down after particularly muddy adventures. The new quick release system uses heavy-duty snaps instead of traditional fasteners, making it possible to strip the interior in minutes without tools. Tech features. Technology features focus on enhancing capability rather than adding complexity. The centerpiece is Ford's new infotainment system with off-road specific features that make navigation and trail management effortless. The 12-inch touchscreen now includes preloaded topographic maps with GPS coordinates for popular trail systems across the country. Trail mapping reaches new levels of sophistication with the integrated Trail Smart system. This technology allows drivers to record their routes, mark waypoints for interesting discoveries, and share trail information with other Bronco owners through Ford's online community. community. The system even includes crowdsourced trail conditions, helping adventurers avoid closed routes or dangerous conditions before they hit the trail. Wireless connectivity receives major improvements with expanded hotspot capability and faster data speeds. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration now works wirelessly, eliminating the need to connect phones physically, important when devices might be sealed in waterproof cases. Off-road specific technology includes enhanced versions of Ford's terrain management systems. The GOAT modes now include 2 additional settings specifically calibrated for sandy conditions and muddy terrain. Trail Turn Assist receives improved algorithms that make tight turns easier while reducing tire scrub, and the hill descent control system now works more smoothly at higher speeds. Powertrain. Engine options for the 2026 Bronco deliver the perfect balance of power and efficiency for off-road adventures. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder puts out around 300 horsepower. For those demanding maximum capability, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 now produces 330 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. And what's important to mention, this engine particularly excels in high-altitude conditions, where naturally aspirated engines struggle, making it perfect for mountain trail adventures. The Anniversary Edition's anticipated 5-liter Coyote V8 will represent the pinnacle of Bronco performance. Producing 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, this naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers the authentic V8 sound and throttle response that enthusiasts crave. Transmission options include the proven 10-speed automatic that receives calibration updates for smoother operation in stop-and-go trail conditions. The system now includes a new trail mode that holds gears longer and provides more engine braking during descents. For purists, the 7-speed manual transmission remains available with the 4-cylinder engine, complete with a crawler gear that provides incredible low-speed control for technical obstacles. 4-wheel drive systems showcase Ford's commitment to capability. The standard system features electronic shift-on-the-fly operation between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive high range, with a separate lever for 4-wheel drive low-range engagement. The available advanced 4-wheel drive system adds an electronically controlled transfer case with 7 different drive modes, each optimized for specific terrain types from sand dunes to rocky crawls. Differential options cater to different adventure styles. The base setup includes an electronic rear differential lock, while the Sasquatch package adds front and rear electronic lockers that can be engaged independently. This setup provides maximum traction without the complexity of mechanical lockers, ensuring reliable operation even in harsh conditions. Off-road expert. The 2026 Bronco establishes new benchmarks for factory off-road capability that competitors simply cannot match. Ground clearance starts at 8.6 inches in base configuration and increases to 11.6 inches with the Sasquatch package, numbers that put it ahead of every direct competitor. Approach angles of 43.2 degrees and departure angles of 37 degrees mean the Bronco can tackle steep obstacles that would stop other vehicles. Suspension design prioritizes articulation and durability over smooth highway ride. The independent front suspension uses heavy-duty components designed to withstand impacts that would damage conventional systems, while the solid rear axle provides maximum strength and simplicity for serious off-road use. Sasquatch models receive Bilstein position-sensitive dampers that automatically adjust based on terrain demands, providing comfort during highway cruising and control during aggressive off-road driving. Water fording capability reaches impressive depths with proper preparation. The standard Bronco can handle 33.5 inches of water, while Sasquatch models increase this to 36.4 inches, thanks to raised air intake positioning and improved electrical sealing. All models include underbody skid plates that protect critical components from rock strikes and debris impacts. Rock crawling capability sets the Bronco apart from crossover-based competitors. The available rock rails provide solid protection for rocker panels while serving as recovery points during challenging situations. Heavy-duty tow hooks front and rear are rated for the full weight of the vehicle, ensuring reliable recovery options when adventures get too ambitious. The Bronco Raptor takes off-road performance to extreme levels that redefine what's possible in a production SUV. Powered by a 418 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine specifically tuned for high-speed desert running, the Raptor can maintain highway speeds across terrain that would destroy conventional vehicles. Fox Racing shocks with internal bypass technology provide 13 inches of front suspension travel and 14 inches at the rear, numbers that rival dedicated off-road racing vehicles. 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires mounted on beadlock-capable wheels ensure traction in any condition, while reinforced frame sections and upgraded axles handle the increased loads of aggressive driving. The Raptor isn't just the most capable Bronco ever built. It's arguably the most capable factory SUV available from any manufacturer. Release date and price. The 2026 Ford Bronco will arrive at dealerships soon, with the 60th anniversary edition leading the launch. Base pricing will start at approximately $39,995 for two-door models and $43,495 for four-door versions, representing excellent value for the capability offered. The 60th anniversary edition will command a premium of roughly $8,500 over comparable base models, but the exclusive features and limited production justify the investment. Finally, the Bronco Raptor pricing will begin around $94,995, positioning it as a serious performance machine for dedicated enthusiasts. If you are a Ford fan and want something more civilized but still rugged enough, check out this video about how the 2026 Ford Explorer is turning haters into believers. Ford's three-row SUV offers a fine balance between off-road ruggedness and everyday practicality, and is one of the most popular mid-size SUVs on the market for a reason.